everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Navita P. Thank you so much for joining me. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I talk about working from home. I talk about building your credit, paying down debt, entrepreneurship, a whole bunch of side hustles. I talk about that. So if you like that kind of content, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and give me a like on this video. You would totally be supporting my channel and I would really appreciate it. Now onto this video that I'm working on right now. It's all about working from home. And so in this day and age, so many things are going on, and with this coronavirus and everybody's working from home, there's an even dire need to work from home. It's just really difficult to work in an office with a bunch of other people that you don't know that has the virus, right? So for anyone that's working from home, or for anyone that's not working from home and you're looking for a job to work from home, I have 4 places for you to look right now, right after this. We're back. So here we go. There's the 4 places that I want you to look for this to work from home jobs as of right now. This is one of the best places to look for a job. I have 2 companies or 2 websites that you should look for when you're looking for a job to work from home. And working remotely, I have to say, is one of the best things that you can do for yourself. Just eliminating that commute. You know, I hear some people say, no, you shouldn't think of it that way. You want to interact with people. You want to interact with your coworkers. You want to interact with your bosses. You want to have that interaction. And all I can say is, oh, please. Do you really want to stay in traffic? Do you really want to go and take the train and wait an hour or 2 hours before you get started in a job? No. And I think for the majority of people out there would agree with me. So here are the 4 websites. 2 of them are actual jobs, and 2 of them are websites that you can look for a job. So let's look at this first website. It is WWR, and that is We Work Remotely. So this website is one of the most popular websites when it comes to working from home. And if you can see here in the middle of the website, it says trusted by the world's leading companies, such as Google, Amazon, Basecamp, and Envision. Sorry, but I don't know what that logo is there in the middle. So I'm just letting you know what I know from these websites. If you go down further, it'll tell you the latest post about 4 hours ago for customer service or customer support jobs. These are more hands-on technical support. It says here you can do it full-time anywhere, 100% remote only. So for those of you who have this kind of background, this is perfect for you. You can totally apply to these jobs. And it says here 100% remote. So anything that has to do with WordPress, anything that has to do with customer service, or even things that are technical, really heavy technical. We're talking about developer. If you can see developer support engineer, that's a job there. Knowledge specialist. So all these things are really good for working from home. Support engineer, customer service, customer support representative, perfect for that. Working from home, remote customer support specialist. So there's tons and tons of jobs here that you can take a look at. You can enter your email and get listings sent to you every single day. This is the way to go. So let's keep going. There's programming jobs. All my programmers out there, take a look at this. Perfect for you. You can just keep on going. Senior Shopify developer. Sounds interesting. So there's tons of jobs on here. You keep going. There's other categories. Business management and finance jobs. Really good jobs on here from all different walks. I mean, so many different kind of companies, and if you keep going, you'll find different categories. So this is one of the websites. I hear really good things about it. I've heard other people use it, and it says post a job for $2.99. That's not for you, that's for the employer, and for the employer, they are paying heavy fee up front, so they're looking for good workers. So this is the first website. Write it down right now, weworkremotely.com. And if you go ahead, you can click on the categories. If you wanted to do that way and scroll down, you can scroll. Or you can go on the top and click on the categories and take a look at the categories here. There are also contract positions. If you don't want to work full-time, you could do it on the side, and that's part-time. There's resources here, and there's top 100 remote companies available. They have resources for you. So let's click on that first one and see what they have here. So the number 1 on this list the top 100 remote companies that are hiring right now is a list of global companies that have the most experience hiring remote workers. These are companies that have posted the most job listings since the inception of We Work Remotely. So this is data that they've collected, and they are basing this information on the number of jobs listings that were created by that company. So let's take a look at what's number one. So before we talk about the company here, it says here jobs posted 367. So they're saying that Clever Tech posted 367 work from home jobs on this website. So that's good to know. Let's click on that company. So they're headquartered here in New York City and has some information about the company. It's based in New York City, fully remote development teams. Interesting. And then they're looking for all these kinds of positions here. So if you go through this, you can probably find a bunch of companies that are hiring remotely, and you can probably secure a really good position. So this is the website. There's so many resources. Click on the resources link or on the tab at the top, and you can be able to find it right at the top there. Let's go on to number two. This is remote.co. You can see it at the top there, and you can click on remote companies to find out which companies on here are hiring remote workers, remote work blog. There's a blog, and there's online courses and remote jobs. You can sign up for this as well, and you can also get a newsletter of weekly fresh jobs. And if we go on here, you can search by the company, a job title, or just clicking on these buttons right here, and these are the people that they're looking for. So if we scroll down, we can see remote customer service jobs. Those are very in demand right now. And online data entry jobs, all on there, remote design jobs, and particularly programming, and there's a bunch of others. So we can keep going on. Online editing jobs, remote healthcare jobs, interesting, remote recruiter and HR jobs. So there's a bunch of, there's so many categories. It goes on and on. Marketing jobs, sales jobs. So there's teaching. There's just a ton of stuff. So go ahead and take a look at this website. You can find a work from home job and cut out that commute. So remote.co, grow remotely. Very nicely done website. Easy to use, user-friendly. So that's my second website for you. The other two are two jobs that I've heard so many people applying for, and it sounds like it's really good. So why don't I just give those two jobs to you right now? Let's take a look at them. So the third website I want to show you is Amazon Jobs, or it's amazon.jobs. On the bar there, you'll see the full link there, and it says here on Amazon is closely following coronavirus disease and implementing processes that promote safety for employees, candidates, and customers and communities. So now they have virtual location. It says here the office that comes to you. So this is the section where you'll find and learn about all the jobs that are available to work that will allow you to work from home. So tons of jobs on here. You just have to look for it. A lot of them are work from home. So I'm not going to go through all the different jobs that are available because there are so many. And if we take a look at Amazon, from what I heard, there is a lot of work from home jobs, customer service oriented jobs, and also servicing, like service support. So those are the jobs that they're hiring, and also development, maybe IT. That's the third website, and I want to go on to the fourth website right now. Okay. So the other job I was looking at is with Apple. You can become an at-home advisor with Apple, and they will help you, prepare you to become an at-home advisor. As an at-home advisor, you'd be responsible for answering customers' questions over the phone via chat about Apple products, services, and accessories, including both software and hardware. So this is something very important for anyone that loves Apple. Take a look at this. This is a really good job, especially if you work on a Mac, like I work on a Mac. For anyone who works on a Mac, it's user-friendly, but for people who are on PCs, it's harder for them to transition. So you would be helping people out. If selected, you'll be employed directly by Apple. There's full-time and part-time. Every shift varies, salaries are competitive, and will be discussed during the recruiting process. Apple provides employee benefits. So there's some requirements that you need to have to work from home, and they will provide an iMac and headset. So that's a really big plus. iMacs are very expensive, and so to have them provided for you, and they're also providing you training for the position, is even better. So I hope you enjoyed that part of this video. I've given you 4 websites to take a look at the possibilities to work from home are endless. So if you really think about it, maybe make a list on the side of exactly what kind of jobs you're looking for. Go for it. There's nothing stopping you right now. I just gave you the 4 websites. Take a look at them right now and go apply today. I hope I provided you with some really good information. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe if you have not already. And let me know in the comments below, what kind of videos would you like to see me do in the future? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.